Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add animation on KineMaster. First of all, open up the KineMaster app and start up a new project. Once you do so, this will be your editing screen where you can edit your media. Now, go ahead and tap on the media option at the top right corner and import a video you want to work on. You can select your camera roll for importing videos, or you can also choose any presets available throughout KineMaster. Once you select the media, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner to import it onto your timeline. Now after importing the media on your timeline, the next thing to do is to tap on Layer on the right hand corner. To add basic animation, let's start with text. Tap on the text option and then add your desired text to the timeline. After you are done adding in the text, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Now, you will be able to see your text on your timeline. To animate your text, go ahead and tap on the text layer, and first of all, go ahead and make sure that you edit your fonts or your style for your text by tapping on font and selecting one of the font you'd like to apply to your text. Also make sure to choose a color for your text so that it can be visible on your screen. Also make sure to use the tools on your screenplay in order to increase or decrease the size of your text or rotate your text on the preview screen. You can also use the outline, shadow, glow and other effects available for your text. After you do that, drag the edges of your text layer and make sure it covers the part of the video according to your preference. You can increase or decrease the duration and position of the text layer according to your choice, and once you are done with it, tap on the In Animation option on the right hand side corner. You will find a selection of pre-made animations. Choose one and apply it to your video. Explore around with different animations provided, and you can also do the same for out animations as well in order to apply it to your text. Now as you can see that you have applied animation to your text. You can also animate images and videos using the keyframe method. In order to use keyframe method, go ahead and select your text layer and select the area where you want to add the keyframe to. Once you choose the area using the red slider, tap on this little plus icon on the left hand side menu. You will then be able to add keyframe. After adding the keyframe, go ahead and select another part on your text layer by simply sliding on the timeline and tap on the plus button again on the left to add another layer. Now, the real animation we can do here is to simply go ahead and select another layer, drag your text layer on your preview screen, and this will then automatically add another keyframe. You can now again get back to another area and animate your text according to your preference, such as rotating it from your screen, which will then add another keyframe. Repeat the process for making your own animation, and that way you should be able to add multiple key points which will work as an animation. Now, go ahead and preview your video from the point that you've started adding the keyframe from, and you will be able to notice that you have successfully created an animation for your text layer. So that was the basic animation you can do using KineMaster. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.